Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. In the previous session we were looking at the HLookUp formula, and like I suggested, it's always better to convert the HLookUp data into a VLOOKUP data. Let us see how we can convert this. Here what you do is you insert this column just after the header rows. Name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 includes the column for VLOOKUP. So once you enter like this, you use the HLookUp to determine which column to be selected. That is, so HLookUp, I look up the quarter here, the quarter is in here, and I don't look up in the first two rows. I require the second row value, which is to get the column index number, and then I require an exact match. So for Q4 it is column number 5. So if it is, let us say, Q2, the column changes to 3. So this value is taken as an input for the VLOOKUP formula. I'll write it down here. This is the HLookUp, and this is the item is pencils. So I require the cells. So VLOOKUP for pencils, which is in B15, in the value in this array, except that the column index number is now taken from the HLookUp, and then I get an exact match. 19. I can substitute the whole thing. This refers to E15. E15, I copy the whole formula and put it in place of E15. So I've converted the HLookUp to the VLOOKUP formula. Just for clarity's sake, what we'll do is we'll put this equivalent to Q2, and they'll put this equivalent to pencils. So if I say here I require pens, for sales of pens I require to go to the row number 4. So I put 4 here. Here it's a bit of a dynamic in the sense that pens are looked up in the VLOOKUP formula, and Q2, if it changes to Q3, I get 15. The sale of pens in Q3, sale of pens in Q3 is 6. So here the VLOOKUP is in, the HLookUp is in the third index, which is 6. Pens is in 6. So this is how you go with it. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please subscribe and share this with your peers, friends and colleagues to help them, you and me, to excel at work. Thank you for watching.